let's get straight to it. Nissan Rogue. So today we are changing the vapor vent valve. So right over here by the back right tire, it's right up here. You can see this piece here. It's right there. So we have to remove this. You see these two holes? So I removed these two pieces from here already and able to pull it down like that. And now I can see this is the part here. So I already disconnected the battery, the negative battery terminal. I'm gonna remove this harness plug. And let's remove this. Alright. And this right here, tab, just push that back like that. And we can remove alright. So this is the old part. So this is the old part compared to the new part. So let's pop this in here. Just like that. So to get it off, you push this tab up like that, and then you can pull it out, twist and pull. And to get it in, you just pop it in. Make sure it's positioned like this, and you wiggle it down in there until that's flushed. And then you can turn it down. Let's get this hose on here. Can you believe that's it? That is literally it. So once that's up in there, we gotta put these two in here. You can tell there was also something over here, but it's not there.